How you feel about your opponent, man?
What opponent? It's my show. It's my show. What opponent? I ain't got no fucking opponent. Boy, Golden Child? Yeah, I feel like he a little... Everybody feel like he nice and what he is. Everybody saying this is the one. I feel like I've been ready, but everybody said this is the one. We're gonna see, man. Once again, we got another swag. This nigga, all I spit is facts. Definition of a true spitter, swag 10 to TSA, man.
Now I don't know if they gonna call this the 30 or 21. It's the same outcome, my nigga. 21. Now what the fuck you gonna say?
Once again, we got another swagless nigga.